Hi and welcome to this how-to guide for dynamic modeling. My name is Bella and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a 3D cyber replica of a city using 3DSMax and the MapRoom plugin. So this is really helpful for urban designers who want to generate a quick and accurate three-dimensional city, or for architects who might need that contextual information when you start building a new site. So as you can see, I'm already in 3DSMax, and I'm going to assume that you've already installed your MapRoom plugin from Klaus Nilhaus. So I'm going to go ahead and select my MapRoom icon here, and it's going to take a moment, but it will generate a little MapRoom task box for me. All right, so under Maps in Scene, I'm going to select kilometers, since we're in Australia, and go by the metric system. And then under New Map Presets, I'm going to choose OpenStreetMap and Satellite. So this is where my MapRoom will be drawing its data from. I'm now going to select MapRoom, OpenStreetMap and Satellite under Maps in Scene, which will bring us to our location page. We're going to click Find Location by Name. I'm going to do a little replica of Melbourne City today, but you can look up any place or city of your choice and it will bring up a list here of options. I've only got one, so I'm going to choose Melbourne, Victoria, Australia and press OK. And then we're going to update the space to start replicating this city. The next thing I want to do is head to my Terrain tab, and I'm going to change the area from a 10-kilometer radius to a 1-kilometer radius, just to generate a faster city for today. And then we can update our zoom level. So we want this zoom level to be a little bit higher. It might start out at 1. It's best to be over 14 at least. I'm going to leave it on 17 today and then update my map image. Now that we have that, I'm going to go to our OSM tab. And we're going to once again change our area to 1 kilometer. Then here under OpenStreetMap type, I want to change my layer. So here you can choose just one setting if you like. If you're just looking for the boundaries or the waterways of Melbourne, you can select that tab and generate just that layer. But I want all the layers that I can. So I'm going to go full OSM and download and draw that OSM data. It'll take a moment to update this to download all those layers, so I'll give it another moment. All right. Now we're going to head to our style sheet. And we're going to go to SYS OSM style sheet, and this will generate our city for us. So we're just going to hit Apply Style Sheet. Once again, it will take a moment to generate, but we can see all of our layers being downloaded into our MapRoom. Once that's finished loading, we can exit out of MapRoom. And if we zoom in, we should have our full Melbourne City replica. So as you can see, there's a map below. We have our buildings and mass generated. We have waterways. You can select your highways, pedestrian paths, etc. Now, if this is too much information, we can head to our layers and delete out the layers that aren't relevant to us. Or you can simply select the layers you don't want to see and press delete on your keyboard and delete out that excess information that isn't relevant to you. Otherwise, there we have our 3D replica of Melbourne City right there.